students, today we are going to learn about 10 geometry chapter 1st similarity. Here in this session we will discuss some tests of similar triangles and some examples based on these tests. Okay, now similar triangles. Here triangle ABC and triangle DEF are given. Then when we can say that these two triangles are similar? Here note that angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F. Okay, so in triangle ABC, triangle DEF, if angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F, and also the ratio of corresponding sides, that means AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF, that means ratio of corresponding sides is constant, equal, then we can say that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Okay, now in notation form we can write as triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Now here you can just observe one video of one example. Here A triangle is given, B triangle is given. Okay, now here we can note that triangle A is a bigger triangle. Okay, and triangle B is a smaller triangle. And here also note down in the figure that all these three angles are congruent to corresponding angles. Okay, that means all three angles of triangle B and angle A are congruent. Also the ratio of sides are in proportion. That means, for example, here the one side of triangle A is given 15 meter, another side is given 10 meter. If we take the ratio 15 as a 10, then we will get on simplifying 3 as 2. That means in other words it is 1.5 times that larger one. Okay, so these two triangles are said to be similar because all three corresponding angles are congruent and ratio of sides are in proportion. Okay, that means these two triangles are said to be similar triangles. Okay, now let's study some test of similarity of triangles. First test, AAA test for similarity of triangles. One triangle is given ABC, another is given PQR. Here note that angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Then for a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then two triangles are similar. Okay, that means with the correspondence ABC is in 1:1 correspondence with PQR, then if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA test. Okay, now let's take second test, SAS test of similarity. Here one triangle is given, triangle KLM, another triangle is given RST. Okay, and here angle L is congruent to angle S. Okay, now for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if pair of corresponding sides are in same proportion and the angle between them are congruent, that means here angle between two sides is angle L is congruent to angle S. Okay, now here we have to take the ratio of sides KL upon RS equal to LM upon ST. This ratio of two corresponding sides are are in same proportion and the angle between sides, that means angle KLM congruent to angle RST, then we can say that triangle KLM similar to triangle RST. Okay. Now third test, SSS test for similarity of triangles. Here triangle PQR is given, triangle XYZ is given. Okay. So for given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to the corresponding three sides of another triangle. That means, for example, in triangle PQR and XYZ, take correspondence as PQ upon XY equal to QR upon YZ equal to PR upon XZ. That means we are taking the 1-1 correspondence as PQR in 1-1 correspondence with XYZ. That means the ratio or proportion of all corresponding three sides is constant. Then we can say that the triangle PQ and triangle XYZ are similar. Okay, now here we can observe the properties of similar triangles. First, we know that every triangle is similar to itself. So, triangle ABC is similar to itself. So, this property is called reflexivity. Second, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF also similar to triangle ABC. This property is called symmetry. Third property, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and DEF similar to GHI, then first and third triangle is also similar. This property is called transitivity. Okay, that means here take one example based on these properties. In the figure ABC, okay, now what is given? Angle B is given 75 degree, angle E is given 75 degree, and we have to test that which two triangles are similar by which test and by which correspondence. Okay, now here take a correspondence as ABC, 1-1 correspondence with DEC. Why this are we taking? Because here we can find the two triangles, one is a bigger and one is a smaller. Okay, ABC and DEC. Note that here the vertex C is a common, so we can take 1-1 correspondence of C with C. Okay, and B is a congruent to E, so we can take a correspondence of vertices B to E. Then remaining is only A, so A is a 1-1 correspondence with D. So here we are taking the 1-1 correspondence of vertices as ABC, 1-1 correspondence with DEC. Okay. Now in these two triangles, we know that which angle is congruent? Angle ABC is congruent to angle DEC because they having measure 75 degree each. So it is a given. Second, angle ACB congruent to angle DCE because the angle C is a common. So we know that if two angles are congruent, then we can say that the triangles are also congruent by AA test. Okay. So here we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC by AA test of similarity. Okay. Now let's take another example. Are the triangles similar in figure? Okay. If yes, then by which test? Okay. Now here triangle PQR and triangle LMN are given and respective sides are also given. Okay. Now here all measures of sides are given. So first we have to find the ratio of all corresponding sides. So let's take ratio as PQ upon LM 6 by 3 equal to 2. Call it as first equation. QR upon MN 8 by 4 equal to 2. PR upon LN 10 by 5 equal to 2. Now here just we can observe the right side is equal, constant 2. Then we can say that from 1, 2 and 3 all these ratios are equal. Okay. So we can say that triangle PQ are similar to triangle LMN by SSS, tests of similarity.